I would like to tell you a little bit about the Narconon Way, because at Narconon we take a different approach to rehab. At Narconon, we place our rehab centers in gorgeous settings that enable our guests to relax while focusing on their rehab. We use only natural and holistic methods of detox. We do not believe in using other drugs to counter addiction. Our rehab centers are very well equipped and offer our guests the newest and most innovative treatments in holistic medicine. Our staff members will work with you and your family to devise a treatment plan that works for you. All of our students receive a relapse prevention plan upon graduation. Our success rate with this has been very high. Most of our students remain drug-free.